We're going to be doing our sonication on our resuspended cells. So you can see that we have our liquid there, and we're going to be putting this liquid into this little beaker, and when we're sonicating, the liquid tends to heat up, so we need to keep that beaker on ice. Unfortunately, if we were to just place this beaker full of liquid on ice, the ice would slowly melt away and our beaker would sink in. So instead, I'm going to be showing you a different way to set up your beaker for putting on an ice. So what I've done is, to the left we have that same beaker, but it's covered in tin foil. And instead of putting it into the center, we're going to be putting it a little bit closer to the edge so that it will fit on the sonicator. Essentially all I do is just bury it in ice. So I'm just going to take some ice, going to make sure that stays in the center, and don't want to have any chunks of ice underneath it because it might cause it to be a little bit unstable. So there we go, make sure that it's nice and snug in there. So once we have enough ice around it, I just kind of pat it down. So I want to make sure it's definitely a little bit closer to the edge, so the top-down view. I'm going to try to cram a little bit more ice in that way. And then we have a little hole. There's a little bit of water in the bottom, so that will keep our beaker cool, and then our beaker will be able to fit right in there. So I just kind of plopped it out. So you can see that it floats a little bit. I can kind of press it down and it rises. That won't be a problem once we add our protein liquid in. So we'll go ahead and do that. So I'm actually right-handed. So, problem with being careful is you can over tighten it sometimes. So here we go. I'm actually gonna tighten that up a little bit more. I want to make sure that we have ice covering the entire beaker. And then we're just gonna pour it in. I'm actually going to pour this outside. And when you're pouring, you want to be sure that no liquid from the bottle gets into your beaker. This goes on ice, and that gets sonicated.